Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this video, we'll walk you through connecting your Google account to seamlessly fetch reviews from GMB accounts. Once you click the Connect with Google button, you will be redirected to the Google OAuth consent screen. Please review and grant all the required permissions to proceed. Once the connection is successfully established, you will be redirected back to the originating site, where a confirmation message will appear indicating that your Google account has been successfully connected. You can also verify the connection by navigating to the GMB Accounts tab, where you'll find a list of all connected Google accounts. In the next video, we'll cover how to customize your review widget. For more details, refer to the full documentation or reach out to our support team if you need any assistance.